up, beautiful Tata people? It's your boy Local Connects AA, and we back again with another special Tata Mchana podcast. Yeah, Limgelo, Lifigile. Unfortunately, can't feel a launch, but it's the following week. I heard about Kona Hope EP launch, so I was like, let me just divuke phana nginika yami sizofika apha ngingangena gazi Qoma hayi masifike lapha News Cafe Mthatha sibone bakwenzekani, sive abakhuluma abathini about the culture, baphethe kanjani, you know, just the whole experience. But eyona nto ndirhalelayo, I was hoping for that hope interview, yabo, nomkhuluwa uBrastex, yabo. But we'll get to that. Namhlanje masike singene sibone by News Cafe. What is it all about? Vibe yakhona nizabona ke videos uNcamalala uzanenzela. He won't leave you. But if you're watching this, please hit the like button, the share button, subscribe. If you're watching this, make sure you follow us. Siyangcela bafethu, follow us. We're chasing 10,000 subscribers. Siyazidinga, siyangcela Mthatha. Make sure ninathi. Siyangcela Mthatha. Subscribe. If you wanna go social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, hit that follow button. Yeah man, let's go. My name? You good, bro?
Easy, how's it going, bro?
I'm good, man. I'm good. My name is Local Connect ZA. I do a podcast named Mthatha Mchana Podcast. So, see, I'm Mthatha. Just go around, seeing the creatives. If you have a business, get a little business, trying to support, invite people, and everyone, on our platforms. Go on again, numbers. We are growing each and every day strong. So we came here today and poster, but I want you, as the MC of tonight, I want you to tell us what kwenzekani. But before we start kwenzekani, befuna uqala abantu bazi ba who am I talking to qala, So who are you, Mkuno? Just for the people that don't know.
One time, my name is OG Banks all the way from Joburg, Senton. One time, born bred buttered, Kutsolo, born bred buttered, Mthatha.
Yeah, man.
Born Kutsolo, stayed in all around the fucking world, but it's good to be home, man. Look, today DJ Stex is launching an EP. Having a good time, man. You know what it is.
Yeah, man.
We're rocking the show. It's about to go down. I'm gonna rock the stage, or rather the mic, later on in the night when it's peak season, peak hour, and it's gonna go down. So Stex is running the show. So, but look, News Cafe is the baddest thing in Eastern Cape.
Yeah, man.
Tell you right now, Transkei, one time, News Cafe, the best shit. OG Banks, the baddest MC, DJ.
So if people want you on socials and everywhere, like
OG Banks _ OG _ Banks 101. If you want to catch me anywhere, every day, all day, one time. OG Banks, I see.
I always have this question for my viewers, especially abantu basekhaya. OG Banks, you did mention about your from Tolo, yabo. Just for those people who abathanda isiduko.
Look, I tell you right now, my brother, ngizalwa nguMakhatebe, born bred butted.
Yeah, man.
Abe mthatha, Makhatebe ngikhulisile.
Yeah, man.
You know, so nguMakhatebe, uPhungane, uMathitholo, uMashabato, bashabutela inkomo nempondo zayo.
That's what I wanted.
So,
That's what I wanted.
You guys have a good night one time.
Yeah. Okay, last question. I know you're gonna hit me up for this one, but we have a question. Just to be creative for entertainment's sake, can you describe your love life with one liquor brand, like a bottle?
Love with a liquor brand. I can't describe my love life with liquor. I describe it with a plant. It's a rose.
It's a rose.
One time. I call it the thing for the night.
Yeah, man. Let's call it for the night. Too much info.
OG Banks, one time. It's
yeah,
easy.
man. Thank you so
Time.
much, OG. I hope you enjoy your night.
Likewise.
We're gonna see what's going on.
It's easy.
I'm sure the people are gonna see on the socials.
Always, brother. We're running the show. Watch the space, OG Banks in the building one time, all the way from Sentin, Maboneng, Josie, Captain Park, Randburg, Mthatha, Ngangalizwe, Kwezi Mbuqe, Southridge, Myezo, Mahambeni, everywhere, you know what it is. Fucking, you know what it is, my brother, let's go. You know,
Chatham China Podcast.
One time, Chatham China Podcast, one time, you know what it is, one time, easy, one time.
Thank you, OG.
One time.
Enjoy, man. Thank you so much. Right. Unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Khona nawe. Don't be shy, my man. Mike yami le yabo. I'm using this as a mic, so enze masivakale phaya. Okay. So igama lami uLunga Mathikane. I go by Local Connects and there's on the podcast. Yabo Chatham China Podcast. So sihamba around Mthatha. Even if it's a random stranger, every creative business owner, anything, yabo. Ngoba uyine business enza on your WhatsApp, yabo. So senza lo nje shout out ba if abantu bane business now bazokushout out yabo bafollow which if you have fans, yabo. So for the people that don't know you, siswami ngubani afikile. I'm sure imali ubakahle man, but I'm sure izayiba yona. Okay. Where you from?
I'm originally from Kote, but I'm from Mthatha.
Where here?
You know, like Mthatha, no
News Cafe. What can you say like about News Cafe experience yabo namhlanje?
It's a nice place. Like when you wanna chill alone, like for instance, me, I never go.
Yeah. Is it the first time coming? Or only regular lalama? Okay. For someone who wants to come, like let's say it's the first time, do you have a specific something that you say, my ojama?
Like I like the buffalo wings. Yeah, that's what I can say.
This vele, I need okay, so do you know who Plastex? DJ Stex. You don't know DJ Stex? He's doing a EP launch namhlanje yabo. So let me intro. Do you know Mama John Matloseni? Come on. Jesus. But I hope you stay so that we will say that hallelujah for
I think I'll live around. Yeah, I live around too.
Real luck. Okay, so another question, just for entertainment's sake. Describe your love language. Your one liquor bottle, just one liquor brand. Just describe.
Okay, it's obvious.
Obvious. social media wenzani wena bo kanti kuze nje like as a person wenzani
I'm a businesswoman. Yeah, I'm working.
okay so in business for abantu abafuna ukuba in business ufuna now
I'm selling iPhones, selling clothes, selling snacks, and iPhones. What else? Okay. Yeah.
so for social media bangafumana njani
Afikile Makebula on Facebook. This is me, the man on TikTok.
yeah man nisivele ke sibene nosisi Afikile uthi sazahlala usazayiva yonke lento sizeleyo apha thank you so much sis wami love please nakomnye umuntu keep this energy ne siyabadinga abantu abanjengawo yeah man enjoy shaka
Ngiyamezela buluma empeliberayi ifisozami okukhamba umhlaba wonke ayibazwe ngami awunenkinga zami ezawo wonke umuntu ofana nami ifisozami okukhamba umhlaba wonke ayibazwe ngami nenkinga zami ezawo wonke umuntu ofana nami
thank you by the way sis wami kunjani
I'm good, how are you?
touch my blood again okay so igama lami Lunga Matikani but I go by the name Local Connect ZA because I connect
Okay.
Emzansi so the ZA must be there yeah ndine podcast enyenzayo Mthatha Mtshana podcast sihamba around Mthatha sithetha ne-creatives business owners nomuntu nje orandom ozihambela esitrateni siyadibana naye yabo like you hijackile yabo nje basazi ngubani what brings you to Mthatha what brings you to News Cafe yabo the experience is njani so my first question to you
Shoot.
ngubani sisi for the people that don't know
Okay. Hello everybody. Kamala Musente Makogweni. Just to go see originally. This is Tata for school purposes. But Dilapa News Cafe for other reasons.
weekend okay nice for my audience audience Thandis Dube so ngubani
Dumanqongo lumathithi maphelwane isikhulu somngane somthwana siqhutshwa singeva. Makogweni.
maziyo ingoma emambodweni madoda maziyo okay so njengomtshilo si-students just here for fun man it's a Friday yabona do you know Brastex DJ Stex
DJ Stakes. I can't say.
never heard of DJ Stex
I can't say I have heard
do
of
you
it.
know Russell Zuma
No, guys, not pictures to confirm because hey, I might forget the names, but don't do math.
ingoma okay let me remind yourself dear my concern you don't know that
I'm a church girl.
okay anyways ngiye ndabona online bakhona i-EP launch yakhe apha namhlanje
Okay.
so because I know him personally I'm like perfect idea so sendidibanise ne-News Cafe yabo so nalapha ngifuna ukuba from you since ndibele ndawo ungazelanga yonke loo nto le service yalapha injani like abantu balapha bakuphethe njani
Okay, this is actually not my first time here. Maybe it's on Sunday. It was my birthday. Well, I can't complain. Happy
Listen for
belated. So welcome back.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, Nivi. On the podcast. Yeah, man.
So shame. My review, my personal review. Tigati, it's a beautiful place, aesthetic-wise, 10 out of 10. Food, yes. Service, yes. Shame. I can't complain about the service, shame. but ingathi kumagarita guys ingathi nifake mochwal, you know. But yeah, yes, I'm happy with everything.
Yeah, okay. This is your first time okanye
It's my second time here.
second
It's my
time?
second time here.
Yeah, but second time and already 10 out of 10.
Yes.
Damn. Good impressions last, guys.
Definitely.
Next question. I'm thinking about it. Describe your love language in one liquor bottle.
One letter.
One liquor bottle.
One liquor bottle. Love language.
Okay, love life. It's fine.
Brutal fruity. You know, in a la taste, you're both sweet and danger in the middle. Yeah, so ngiyakutshela, you can never go wrong with brutal fruit. Trust me.
Aye, we're gonna hit 1 million, guys. Sweet and dangerous. Alright. Interesting. I am touch band.
Okay.
A touch band.
You better know it.
Okay. I love that. Okay. My next question. For the people about do you have any businesses besides this call?
I don't yet. I don't. But I say corner, you guys will know. Because I believe and ngabona indawo ekuworks wakho uyapha eMthatha, so ngifuna uniplaga ngawumwork, so zibe zami ezo.
Yeah, man. Social media, abafuna ukufollowisha.
On TikTok I am Kokweni _ on Instagram I'm Matija _ and then yes, those are the 2 platforms I'm on.
Alright, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy your birthday. Yabona uba sesigqibile.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Yeah, man.
Lokuthwela uthayela kunomoya, hlala wazi izifiso zakho uzozifeza. Nami ngifuna uyonyathela emagcekeni akobaba mkhulu, ngokusemthethweni. Ungukhethekile kuzo zonke izintokazi, okwenza kimi akwandele bani.
Hey yo, what up, beautiful Mthatha people? It's your boy Loco. We back again. Jongani man, look who I got with me. And this is ngixelele uba ngubani. Funa yena umkhulu wami. Anixelele uba ungubani yena and what is all about. Before sibuze anything. Guys, welcome to News Cafe. Size apha. It's Prastex. We are launching EP yakhe, Hope. 3 beats. What a beautiful thing. But ke dibana nomkhulu wami. Ndithi manje simsondeze. Khona yami kuhle namhlanje. Sham mkhulu wami. You already know me. I don't want to be introducing myself to you. But ke for people connecting abantu bami basekhaya. Dibana lo laba bami kwamkhulu wami.
This is Local Connect. This is the king. Tata Mchana. Away. Yeah. Thank you so much, man, for this opportunity. Just to share words. We're here at News Cafe to listen to Rodman, the legend, Prastex. He's launching his EP. It's called Hope. Very beautiful. I'm sure you can hear in the background. The song that's playing is called Utaba. It's one of the songs that are in the EP. Such a beautiful EP. It's such an exciting day for me, you know, having a frontman from Ekasi coming to launch his EP. I always have that thing that says, whatever that we do in the hood needs to start in the hood. In order for this EP to be launched in Joburg, we need to start launching it here in Umtata. So that's exactly what we're doing. So yeah, we're having a good time, man, and it's gonna be a crazy night. Yeah,
man. Thank you so much for my name. Come on. Since the start, yeah, you've commented on the EP. Now you song of the year,
on the EP.
Yeah.
Well, the music that Prastex does
is somehow soulful. But my favorite is the one that's playing, Utaba. I think it's going to be a big song. I think it's too early now to say which song could be Song of the Year. But I know it for a fact, just like last year when he had part of the top 10. I know there's a song from the EP that will definitely make it to that top 10, yeah.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Anything from your side that you can... Come on!
Yeah, we're cooking something. We're cooking something. But obviously, I'm a person of perfection. A couple of songs that we have already, but we haven't released them. I think we've also used some of them on my videos on YouTube, but we haven't really released them on digital platforms, and that's for a reason. You know, I'm someone that wants to give people something that I strongly believe in and something that I'm 100% sure about. So yeah, that's where I am. Otherwise, there's something that we're working on now. 3-step sound, Afrotech. That's the direction that we're taking now. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Okay, Komanda. Question. The young you, Shady Bakers. I mean, there's other service too, but I want or inspired Jamist like I am. Talk to that guy, so that I'm bigger than you. So I want you to talk to that guy for me.
I think people know we come from humble beginnings, and all that it took for us to at least get to where we are. One, putting God first, that's my thing, because there's nothing that I have or anything that I've achieved that would have come without the involvement of God the Almighty. Two, hard work. You can never substitute hard work. It doesn't matter how talented you are. If you don't want to work hard, unfortunately, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't want to work hard. That's just how it works. Three, consistency. You know, some other people work hard for a certain duration, and if things are not working out for them in that duration, they tend to give up and say, nah, this thing is not working. But I always say, if you have droplets of water dropping on the surface, even if it's a rock, like consistently, there's another song that I love from the EP, the one that's playing now. If you'd have, let's say, a drop of water dropping on the same spot consistently, I promise you, after some time, you will see a mark there which shows that there's something that's been happening here. And sometimes if you hit that rock, even doesn't matter how hard you can hit, with a hammer or whatsoever, sometimes you wouldn't get to have that mark that you have with a drop of water. Now what's different there is the impact which is caused by consistency, and you like hitting once, even if it's as hard as possible, but that consistency makes a huge difference. So I would say to a young guy that's out there who wants to make it, work hard, trust God, have the faith, and be consistent.
Humble, be humble.
Yeah, always be humble. That's important.
Komanda ndiyabulela kakhulu. Komanda ndifuna uyenze brief and ndiyakwazi umuntu wemeeting. Komanda, I hope you enjoy the night.
No. Happy.
Plastics ngimsupporta kakhulu yabo. So it's lovely Komanda Komanda abakhulu abamabona be-United. Nabe-manage baba befuna lezi ngoni. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
And I'm looking forward to the launch.
I know, definitely when the time is right. We're definitely going to do it.
In the future.
Yeah, I know that's fine. We'll definitely have it.
So it's amazing. Yeah, man. Tana, if you're watching this, hit the like button, subscribe, please. Oh shit. Social.
It's Mr. Say everywhere.
Yes, sir.
Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The key word is Mr. SA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, email Mr. Modern Concept. Please, company
Email. It's missmodernconcepts@gmail.com. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ikhombisa umuhla okhuluma ngizokuthanda balungame ngesandla endale masandals iyinkosi enamandla ngizokuthanda balungame ngesandla endale masandals iyinkosi enamandla awungeke masixabana uthi apart
Batsing Bantu, Bantu not. Okay, say Lendile, Bantu. Yeah, man, what up, Tata? We back again in Patele. Another explosive figure. We are figure we in that. Funanje, unpaintela the picture. He is the best. But he's the best. He is the best. Batsing Bantu. Yeah, man. What's up, my guy? Graham.
How's it?
I'm good, bro. Yeah. As you know, Local Connect ZA, the podcast,
Yeah.
for the first time on camera, I'm saying it to you. Got a podcast. Yeah, bro. Tata Mchana, Zamba Mtata, Sibana the creatives, business or non-business. Everyone, even a random stranger, it's amazing. Because you will learn a lot from people. A lot from people. Even a random stranger, you will learn a lot. Yeah, man. So today's I saw about plastics EP launch, and I'm a fan.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I podcast needs to see this, but we're lucky. Ngifesane kaNkulunkulu kuba ke lo ndiyathandaza. Dumbu niggas yabo on the spot. Kamnandi besibhaliwe phaka line up and I prayed uba ungabikho busy that much but ngakwazi uthetha nawe. Lucky enough yenze. So Brian, for the people abangakwazi.
Yeah.
Who is this fresh?
Yeah, bro, this fresh guy that you see, I go by the name of Bantu Solo. I'm a DJ, I'm an artist basically. I'm a DJ, I'm a designer, fashion designer, Skalaba, just so you know. So I do everything that has to do with creativity and creative work basically. I'm a creative.
Bantu. Okay, people. Uthini buyi creative. I see. Yes, I see. But singabantu singabantu futhi yabo. So we just need, besides the bantu one, the creative, just nje recap kancane. Uba ungubani, just a clean name, the funny.
Okay. No, Brian, my clean name Ujola lo Qengebo Mpankomo. Go by the name of Azimachija Bantu. Yeah, I'm from Bapeni, born and raised in Mthatha. This is my home, basically. Yeah. Mthatha Mshana. That's where I'm from.
Listening to the EP, or you've listened to before, City launched what can you say about the EP? Any comments, Jay?
First of all, listening to the music that's playing out inside there, I'm very happy that the production as Mthatha is this solid. You know, it's a very good production. It's another level. So I'm just very excited to listen to Grootman Yam. You know, every time he drops something, you know it's gonna be fire. He's gonna get the whole town dancing, one way or the other. So that's my comment, bro. And I'm just very excited to see Namanyamachi. There's a lot of people I see inside about by happy, they relaxed. That's what I want to see. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Favorite favorite tracks on the EP?
Favorite track. So since we got Gamazo.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's new. It's fairly new. So I'll give you that one. I'll give you that one.
I still haven't gotten the names yet.
Okay. Any projects coming from your side?
From my side, bro, I'm still working on my Mega Mix 808, which is the hip hop mix that I'm still doing. Mix 30 is launching, let's say, next week Tuesday. Yeah.
Where is it launching?
It's launching, let's say, on YouTube, Mixcloud, and what's the? Do you know the? At this edge.
I had radio.
Oh yeah. That's the name I was looking for.
I had radio.
Just me every time, bro.
Okay, man. Okay, lovely. I'm gonna listen to those because we also want to I remember them.
Yeah.
Please do send me.
Definitely.
Yeah, man. For people about Funara on social media.
Yes, bro. Socials, you can get me officially _Bantu on Instagram. On Facebook, it's just Bantu Solo, and that's where I'm at. I'm soon to open a TikTok account, so be on the lookout for that one.
Yeah. Any events? Anything people should look out for?
For now, if you want to find me, these are my two homes: News Cafe and Sage. Every Friday and Saturday. Yeah.
As for your hospitality, alaba for someone wants to come here. Someone is wondering about Munjana.
Yeah.
What can you say in a culture lab?
I think you can see for yourself. It's buzzing inside. So people are happy, but to excited. It's just a warm evening, yeah, bro. That's what this place brings, bro. It's a different place, different style. Something we need to enjoy ourselves going. Yeah, well, that's what I can say.
Yeah, man. I'd like to say continue to follow young creatives at same time. This is one of them. He supports me personally. I know, yeah, bro. So please make sure Banani am support. His name is Bantu. Yeah, man, looking fresh. What influenced today's? Come on, feng shui. What influenced today's feng shui?
Bro,
this nigga gonna kill me. No, don't cut. But yeah, for real, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah, that's why you always kill it. You on some Kanye West shit.
Yes, sir.
I finna reveal a secrets, but yeah, man. For socials, abantu bazimamela beza mix and everything.
Like I said, on YouTube, you can always find them there. And it's officially _Bantu na corner. Instagram officially _Bantu. Same as on YouTube. Yeah.
For bookings,
you can I'll just pass on my number 033 066 5005. So it's 033 066 033 5005. Yeah. I also answer DMs on Instagram. I see a lot of artists don't answer their DMs. I look at my DMs and I answer them. So yeah.
Instagram,
yeah, both Instagram and Facebook.
IG. Nanas, Bantu answers. Make sure guys, yeah, bro. My guy, have a blessed night. We're looking forward to your set, man. You're still gonna play most.
Yeah, I'm about to hop in like a couple of minutes, so when it's done, I'll be on stage.
Yeah, you playing after? Straight. Or not? Ding! Let's go, man. Namhlanje
Itafiona
kuhle namhlanje
grant
khona sizawuthatha xa uaddressa because of age difference and respect besides the respect mostly sizawuthatha xa uaddress kuhle namhlanje
hayi kuhle kunjani kuhle
akhona tatam nenza i-podcast yami ithi Mthatha Mtshana podcast sihamba ke apha eMthatha sibuza creatives umuntu ongeyo-creative business owners and everyone nje about Mthatha and their culture nje into abayenzayo to contribute to the small town esiphila kuyo. So for abantu abangakwaziyo, mina ndiyakwazi, I'm a fan of yours, ndiyakuthanda kakhulu, I follow your music, ndiziswe nguwe abe music cafe. It's also my first time nami ukuza apha, so ndiziswe nguwe. For abantu abangakwaziyo, ndicela nje uintroduce nje kakuhle nje kanjani.
Okay, DJ Stax, music producer and also a DJ. Started playing 1997. Mkolo ngiqale ukwenza 2008. And I released a couple of singles and albums. My first album, Naikhupha ngo 2014, I sit in the New Beginnings. It was available in the music shop, including home music online. I did a lot of singles and also EPs in between. In 2017, I released a sophomore album. I have available in the music shop, your traditional music shop, music, jazz music, as a soccer thing. And then I also continued dance singles and EPs, and eventually released a big song, ICT Makosa in 2021. It did very well. It was playlisted on all major radio stations, top charts, nominated Song of the Year. October 2023, I released another top EP. It is Samuel and Chris. Samuel and Chris is my grandmother and my grandfather. It also did very well. And I continued up until now. Now I have a new one called Hope. It's a 3-track EP. It featured Still Neutron. It's a new guy from KZN. And also TSN. We've been doing music with TSN for quite some time. So yeah, man, I'm also releasing some new stuff as well. Releasing an Afro track song. I played it here as well. So yeah, it's busy, man. I've been busy. I'm doing music. And since 2021, all my songs, the songs I've released from 2021 up until now, they have been nominated to different various radio stations as potential song of the year. All the songs I've released from 2021 up until now, three charts across radios, also zonke radio stations, Metro FM, Kozi, Mhlobo, everywhere. So yeah.
Yabona ndithule nje ndikomba ndifuna bayive kakuhle le nto because uyasipana and to me it's very inspiring. I want I want you to talk to, because I see the numbers and I see the success here, and I need success here because I follow you and I never defend it too much, but yeah. I want to talk to the 9-year-old you, talk to the 18-year-old you, by say, for you to get here,
about basically German Uganda and City, I've started doing music, music from actually the first song that I released in 2010. That song, intended album #1 when you online shopping as I walked Afro T's MP3. That was my first song. So I think the secret is simple. Do in the music work, do what you believe in. Don't try to sound someone else like someone else. Be your own, create your own sound, stick to it. Eventually, abantu will understand as time goes on. It's not easy, but if we are strong, uzimisela une-direction, une-plan, ayikho ezokuhlula.
So nisivele kumkhuluwa. For abantu abadala ke ngoku bekumamela on the EP, what is different between Samuel and Chris nangoku?
You know, as a producer, what I normally try to do, I don't want to box myself. I know people, they like the dance stuff, but on this one, I wanted to tap in that market, the market that always felt to like Norile since I was doing a different sound. So I'm going back to my sound, also trying to accommodate the new guys as well. So yeah, I'm going to be doing my music. It's just that I need to cater for everyone because mine is to tap into different markets and also keeping my identity.
Yes, sir. For abantu ke abafuna ukubhuka or abantu abafuna ukuxhumana nawe on social.
So kwi-socials ndikhona as DJ Stacks SA across all networks.
Yeah,
So for bookings, it's DJ Stacks at live.co.za.
I also heard about first time yakho lapho. Also want the review yakho of the place and the people.
I've been seeing some negative posts about Linda, but to be honest, so far I didn't see anything wrong. I didn't experience anything wrong. So people are entitled to their opinions, and we don't know why they are doing so. But I believe this is a great place, and we need to give it a chance. Definitely, if there are issues, they're going to sort them out.
Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. I believe Linda is on air to entertainment culture lapha. Izonika i-platform to abantu abanganayo enye i-platform yabo. So izo-air kwezi platform
Yeah, injalo.
So ngiyabulela kakhulu ngakho. I wish you the best of success with the year going forward, and I hope in future andiphe chance to sit down sike siyichophe kakuhle because it's quick now yabo.
No problem anytime.
Ngiyabulela madam. Enjoy your night. Yeah man, Miss Vele, if you're watching this, please hit the like button, subscribe. Miss Vele, man, he came, he played, amazed, he talked, Zantana Bafate.